Yes, sir. Got that package. Whew. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I got a special unboxing. It's a new tool by the Andis Clipper company. By the time you see this video, it'll probably be 12/14. That's gonna be the release date for this item right here. But I'm excited to open it up, and I couldn't open it without doing this video for you guys so you guys can see the ins and outs of this tool. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, hit that like, and definitely subscribe. I'm gonna be dropping a lot of new content, a lot of unboxing videos, mainly Andis. You know I'm an Andis guy, so definitely hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys, and I'd love to have you. Hit that bell so you can get the notifications early. And before we start, let's get into that intro. So this is the new BeSPOKE trimmer by the Andis Clipper company. I had a prototype and I loved it. I'm just excited to see the finished product, see the ins and outs of it, see what they did to kind of tweak it, make it better. I think this is gonna be one of the best trimmers to have dropped in a long time. The accessories and the features that this product comes with are like no other. So I don't want to get too much into it without showing you the product. So let's go ahead and start this unboxing, and then I will go over the details as we finish up the unboxing. So as I'm opening this thing up, man, I got a nice postcard celebrating the 100th year of the Andis Clipper company. All the features, which we'll go over. And then we got the BeSPOKE trimmer. Look at that box, man. This is amazing. Like I said before in a lot of my previous videos, Andis new packaging, the way they've packaged things, they've set the bar pretty high when it comes to packaging. Like this is an Apple product, like a nice, really well put together, just a luxury product. Look at that. The BeSPOKE trimmer professional premium GTX Z blade. So this is a new blade that we've never seen before. Wireless charging, which is something that we really haven't seen a Clipper company make. I don't believe. They have a lot of other companies that make wireless charging, but as far as a Clipper company actually putting together some nice wireless charging, we'll see how that stands up as we use this tool. All the inside parts, how you can zero gap. You know, it's got the 2 screws standard, just like the rest of the Andis Clipper company tools. And then this one actually comes with 3 combs. So we'll go break those open and see what lengths those are and how those work as well. So I had to break out my Andis screwdriver. It looks like a pen, has all the attachments. If you're ever at a trade show and you go by the Andis booth, make sure you ask for one of these. Comes in handy, especially for my camera stuff. I keep it in my camera bag, tighten up all my screws. So as I open this up, unseal it, you got a Centennial Series, 100 years, celebrating 100 years. This is awesome. So it's, got your nice postcard, 100 year. Here's to the past century and to the next 100 years of innovation. See how we've innovated with this new tool. And you got your Create Your Way flyer. Comes with most of the new tools. I've got a ton of these stickers because all the tools come with 2 packs of stickers. Got your business card. To you and the generation of creators. Definitely catering to the creators. Just a lot of nice, well put together things for clients. Really being appreciative to the clients that buy the Andis tools. You got your black sticker. Got your white sticker, and here it is, the BeSPOKE, nice and secured in some nice packaging. Comes in a plastic wrap, so we're gonna unwrap that. Fully charged before powering, hold power button for 5 seconds. So here it is, guys, the BeSPOKE trimmer. Obviously you gotta power it up before you unwrap it, but I'm gonna go ahead and just see what it feels like. So you gotta hold it for 5 seconds. Oh, that thing sounds so good. Got that new GTX Z blade, got the cutout. I remember barbers used to customize their trimmers and cut the top off. Now it just comes standard, so you got nice vision when you're doing design work, any type of edging. Around the ear, any type of tight area, or even if you're dealing with kids, maybe they're moving around and you just don't have the vision for where their line is because that big bulky plastic is in the way. So now they've actually cut it all out. And you'll see this on a lot of the new trimmers coming out. It's got this nice rubber back piece on the back for a nice grip. And I believe this is where you lay it down for the wireless charging. I would say you're gonna lay it down on the back side. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and see what that looks like. Here it is, wireless charging. I'm gonna plug it in a second and show you guys. Plugs right into the back. Boom, and that should charge it wirelessly. It's gonna sit right on top just like that. And when you put it on, the light should come on. I'll show you guys what that looks like here in a second. So we'll get back into the rest of this. See, we got another box. And this is gonna be our attachment combs. Got a 0, a 1. I wonder if you could do a whole fade with this. So there it is, the BeSPOKE trimmer guards. I've never seen that before. We'll see how they work, we'll see how they cut, and maybe we'll do a challenge with these. See how they fit on here, they snap on. Nice and snug. You got a 1 guard, a 0, a 2, and a 3. Then in here you got your oil, making sure that you're keeping that thing oiled up. At least once a day after you leave the barber shop, you know, you want to add just a little bit of oil. You don't want to over oil because you could damage your tool. I'm not quite sure what this is, but I will find out. Then you got a replacement bracket for your blade, just in case that thing wears out. You got another one, so make sure you save this. And then you got a nice brush. You can just dust it off. I'm super impressed with the packaging. Always have been. As soon as they started releasing these new boxes, I was really impressed with the packaging. I love the luxury of the product. I just set up an extension cord real quick just to start charging it. You can see that the light is on, so that light is going to stay on as you charge it. Another feature that I was reading was that this charger will actually charge your phone. So I think that's a pretty cool feature, just when you're on the go. If you don't have a charger on your station for your phone, when you're using your actual tool, it's fully powered, you could just throw your phone on there and it'll charge your phone as well. So I think that's really cool. That's really innovative of the Andis company. All right, so let's see what it actually cuts like. I got a client coming in at 1 o'clock. I'm not gonna zero gap it. I'm gonna use it fresh out of the box. See how it hits, see if it's got that nice crunch that we all like. And then I'm gonna go back and zero gap it if I need to. So far, tool feels really good. Cutting really smooth. I even tested it on my arm a little bit because it's a sensitive area and I could barely even feel that blade. Love it, without even zero gapping it, just straight out of the box. This thing is cutting really, really smooth. Definitely recommend it. I'm gonna zero gap it, but like I said, not right now. I'll go back and zero gap it when it does dull out, or if I use it and I feel like it needs to be zero gap. But right now I just don't want to touch that blade because fresh out of the box is just perfect for me. So I just don't want to mess anything up or maybe make it too sharp. So fresh out of the box, guys. I did the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and start balding out this side just to show you how smooth this tool is cutting. Definitely a plus. And that's fresh out of the box, so I don't think I'm gonna zero gap it today. I might put out a whole nother video once I get ready to zero gap this tool, but as of right now, I like how sharp it is cutting. And to be honest with you, I'm not the best at zero gapping tools, so I'm gonna wait and allow someone else to zero gap them for me if I do need it. But right now it feels pretty good. I'm gonna run with this for a couple of weeks, see how that cuts, and then once it dulls out, then I'll go back and zero gap. But I just don't want to mess it up and maybe align it the wrong way. If you guys want to see a zero gap video, let me know in the comments and I will get that out for you guys.
That shit definitely be hitting though, bro. That shit be hitting real though.
I mean, You can't go wrong with a man riding a bull.
All right, guys, so there it was. That was the BeSPOKE trimmer. Had no idea that video was gonna take me 2 days, but I wanted to make sure I covered everything. I wanted to make sure that you guys actually seen that tool cut, because in some of the other unboxing videos, that's been a lot of the big question is, how does the tool actually cut? Can we see it in action? So I wanted to make sure I got the tool actually working and doing what you guys wanted to see it do. Cut some hair and actually in action. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you guys again for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell for the notifications so you know when the next drop's gonna be. Every Tuesday I'll be dropping videos, just giving out little gems. If there's something you guys want to see, make sure you leave it in the comments. And again, I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.